I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a card from your Stash account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your cards. Step 2. Navigate to your cards. Once you're in the app, go to the Investments or Cards section, depending on your version. This is where all your cards are listed. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Find the card you want to remove and tap on it. This will open the card details page. Step 4. Access card options. Look for an option that says Manage Card or Settings. This is usually represented by a icon of 3 dots. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Just a heads up, if you have any pending transactions associated with the card, you might not be able to remove it until those are cleared. I hope this helps you manage your Stash account more easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.